Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube Monetization Secret. In this section, we are going to talk about thumbnails because thumbnails also increases your click-through rate on your videos. So before we upload our video, we need to have our thumbnail ready. So I normally design all my thumbnails on Canva. Just come to canva.com, type YouTube thumbnail. You see a bunch of them. So, like in this particular video that I'm uploading, it is about affiliate marketing. So I choose this one. Today is it. I didn't change much. Just top 10 common mistakes affiliate marketing. I don't even need to put in of. I just want to make it like that. Top 10 common mistakes affiliate marketing. So this is just what I changed, and I adjusted this arrows. Now my thumbnail is ready. I'm going to download. So sure, download JPEG. JPEG. I am able to adjust this because I'm using a premium version. So okay, it's downloading now. It's downloading now. Yes, you can see. This is it. This is it. Let me view it so I can see. Yes, this is our thumbnail. Our thumbnail is ready. Top 10 common mistakes affiliate marketing. So that is it.